Hello, hi everyone. Today I am going to put forward U factor issue, which can be a means for we, the cable operator, to refurbish our thoughts in doing business for the days to come. Because as you all know that there was audio cassette industry. It was a very big industry, but today it's not there. The VHS, the video cassette industry, it also last for a very long time, but it is also not there. Then came CD, then came Blu-ray, but all become outdated the moment the satellite and cable TV come to existence. So it happens. It happens because this is called evolution. And now it is the era of broadband. Broadband is trying to take over the cable TV industry by their easy access. But incidentally, cable operators, by virtue of their capability to manage and maintain network infrastructure to deliver the service to the consumer home, cable operators became the key players of delivering broadband internet by default. So, I am Swapan Chaudhary and you are watching my show, We the Cable Operator. See, telecom industry and the cable industry belongs to two different domains. But with the invent of the technology, the separating border line of these two domains is diminishing fast. It is diminishing very fast. Since both the industry are in a condition, in a position to deliver all the services from their both the platform, the regulator, the government is also contemplating the issue. So what? What come next? Everybody have started shouting problems, problems and more problems. But I say here is the opportunity. Because where is problem? There lies the opportunity. See, today everything is in place, right? Technology is in place. Laws and regulations are already formulated. Market is developing. Large corporations and multinationals are coming into the industry, into the business. Competition started growing up. Moreover, the richest person of the planet Earth, Elon Musk, going to start broadband service in India very soon. Exactly the same retail business what we, the cable operator, nowadays do right now. And they are also announced their internet service to be launched on December 2022. So, I know many person will start saying it is the irrelevant issue to discuss. This will not work in India. The price level will become very high. There will be latency issue. Somebody will say unnecessary making panic in the market and so many things. But I don't agree this. I disagree. Still, if I take those points, my point is different. If a business personality of such a international stature, when entering into a business which cable operator also do the same business, it is a cause of great concern. You have to accept it. There is no scope of being a pigeon or rabbit because one closes the eyes when the situation comes and the other jump into the grassland. So, I think it is the time for the cable operator to visualize the future business existence and their entity identity. Cable operators, you are to analyze the business aspect. You are to choose your future business partner. Grow up with professional attitude and accountability. Ensure customer service on their demand and their need, not your whims and fancy. Establish your ability by performance. All that I said now related to you cable operators. So, cable operators, you are to think, you are to decide, and cable operator, you are to act on your business decision. So, you cable operators, take care of yourself. Thanks. Bye.